everyone, today I'm sharing with you how to make this beautiful project that you can do for gift or to sell. The first one, I'm going to trace a paper plate. This paper plate is 7 inches and trace this. So cut this out. So cut this circle. You're gonna need one main fabric, which I cut in right now, and the other lining fabric. Not lining, but it's like the back fabric. So this one is the main side. I also cut in the back color, this one, and I'm going to the right side like this. You're gonna sew 1/8 of an inch. You don't sew a 1/4 of an inch. You can do a 1/4 of an inch, but 1/8 of an inch, sew the whole circle. And then from here, I'm gonna cut another piece, the triangle fabric, to the side, and you're going to mark up 8 inches. That 8 right here. And then on this side, you're gonna mark 8, another 8 inches right on this side. And then you're going to connect the 8 to the 8, just like that. Now cut this out. You have that triangle. You also need to cut another one with the pink one. And I also cut in the pink one here too. So you're going to place right side to the right side. You're gonna sew 1/8 of an inch. Seam allowance, you're gonna sew, but you're going to leave about 2 inches here open. So you're gonna sew here or here, go around to here, go up here and stop. Leave this open so you can inside out. And this one I cut an extra, but you can cut between two. This is like 2.5 inches, and I cut it 4. Fold it in half, just like how you make the strap for the wallet, right in the center. Then to here, and then fold it in half. You're going to sew the top and the bottom. You just pin right in the middle of the circles. So with this, you're gonna go and cut this corner right here, and and then you inside out this. This is very simple. I have a lot of requests to show how to make this. And then you press on the side that you left it here open, just like that. Okay, and then you go into inside out. Make sure when you inside out you get all the corners out and everything. With the circle right here, right in the center, let me just fold this. So I want to cut right in the center. And then right here. Only on one side, the pink here, I'm gonna cut. So don't cut on the flower. That's why you separate this here. And so you can cut in the center here. And from there you're gonna cut it more, and so you can inside out. To put in together, that's very simple. This right here, you go on to fold it in half. And then you go on to fold it in half again. You press, you don't need to do anything, and then you go on to bring this half over. You see the line that you fold, it's gonna meet the line in here. Just like so, and then the line in the center, we're going to pin this down. That's the center line. And then I'm gonna put it there, and this one right here, you're going to do the same thing. You're gonna fold it in half. After I top stitch and everything, this one, the center is right here. If you're not sure where, you can look in here at the center you fold earlier. And then you do running stitch or bait. I would suggest you do baiting stitch. In the center, we're going to pull. When you pull, you're going to make sure it's in the center like this. And that looks so cute. When it's here, you wrap this around. Make sure center and everything is even. And then you go in the back here. You go into sew and make the loop. Just tie this area and you come out, then you can do the tail. That is the bow. It's finished. It is show the pink like that. It show the pink is so beautiful. And now you go into do this one right here. Go right in the center, and then you do the same thing. Go baiting stitch. Going to go on the top here, and then I'll go into the center, and then I wrap this around the same way I did with the bow. And don't worry about this thread, because you're going to wrap this around with the center. So now basically that's basically it, and then you're going to put it together. Either way, you can do this if you want to, or you can do this if you want to. So either way you want to do it. I like to do this like this, so it shows the bow like that. See how cute that is? Now you can just go and sew one side to the other, and then you're going to wrap that after. Remember, the color of your choice and everything. You can do whatever color. If you have kid school uniform, whatever, you can do that with their uniform, the color of the school. And do fundraising if you want to do that during the holiday. Perfect. Go into here, make sure the both right in the center, and from here I'll hold it like this, and then I go into wrap this around just for a few times, and then I'll go in the back here. I make a loop and then I come out, because I don't need to do much. We gotta do the other part too. You see how cute this is? Very beautiful, and it's easy to make. You're going to adjust the bow and everything before you do everything else. That is so pretty. Cut off this. I'm using this hair thingy. I'm gonna take this thing off. This thing, you know, when you have a thin hair, you can put it on, and when you have a thick hair, you can take this off and use just the same way. Just don't use that for the thick hair and use that for the thin hair. And basically that. Very simple. And now from here, I'm gonna go and add this ribbon, the thing on the top. Right here, and then I'm going to wrap this around right in the center here. I'm gonna make sure I like it before I put it on the thing. You see the way you like it is to be like this. Then go on the back. Gonna add a little bit more on this side, so it holds right here. And then I put this on. Put this over. Hold on to it for a little bit and then move this over. Cut the extra away. You can use ribbon if you don't want to use the fabric. Use the ribbon. So basically you can make it like 2 inches by 3. That's basically it. And then you put this back where it belongs. Ta-da! That is that. And then you put on your hair. This is it, everyone. I finished, and this is what it looked like. That is so adorable. You can make this with different colors if you like, and this is good for kids. You can do that for sale, to sell, for gift, and do whatever you want to do. I did this before, and I sold a lot during the holiday with the holiday fabric. But you can do whatever you want to do. Love you. Stay safe, everyone. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for all of you that always comment on my video, and some people that donate to my channel, join my channel membership. Thank you. Love you. Stay safe, everyone. Take care.